Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Identify whether Windows 10 is 32-bit or 64-bit, and read the exact Visual C++ runtime error text so you know which library fails. Once done, make sure you have administrator rights and an internet connection. Next, open Settings Apps to note the affected application, and then close that app. This focused start prevents wasted steps later and ensures you'll download the correct runtime package for the right architecture. You now attempt repair. Open Control Panel Programs and Features, find Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable entries, and choose Repair for each relevant year and architecture. If Repair doesn't resolve it, download the exact x86 or x64 redistributable that matches the error and install it. You may need multiple years. After installation, reboot Windows to finalize DLL registration. Once your system restarts, run the application to verify the runtime error no longer. You finish with deeper recovery. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files, then use dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health if needed. If the error persists, uninstall and reinstall the affected application, applying the latest updates. Make sure Windows Update has all patches. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing fixes it, check Event Viewer for specific DLL or faulting module names. That directs you to the precise redistributable or component to reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.